Namaste. This physics experiment is based on surface tension. The tension of the surface film of a liquid caused by the force of attraction between the particles in the surface layer by a bulk of liquid is called surface tension. This minimizes the surface area and holds the liquid into the film. The force of attraction between the molecules is higher at the surface than inside. So let us do the experiment. To do the experiment, we need a glass of water, a netted sieve, a thin card to hold the water, and then we will need a bowl. So to do this experiment, we must first place the bowl at the bottom of the glass and then place the card on top of the glass of water and invert it upside down. After inverting it upside down, now slowly try to take your hand outside and then you can see the water doesn't fall because of the surface tension formed at the bottom and the air pressure inside the glass. Now let us do the same experiment using a sieve. To do this in this netted sieve, we must first place the cardboard on top of the netted sieve and place it on the mouth of the glass. And now we have to hold it very tight on top of it, and then we have to invert it upside down. So then we have to hold the sieve and place the glass in a correct position, and then we have to try to take the cardboard out of it. We have to slowly remove the card. Now we have removed it. So you can see the netted sieve holding the water inside. This is because of the surface tension formed at the bottom and the air pressure formed inside. It is airtight inside, so the water doesn't come out. Now let us try leaving a safety pin inside the sieve. So you can see even when we insert it, the water doesn't come out. I am taking it near the camera, the water doesn't fall. So from this experiment, we conclude how surface tension holds the water. And thank you for watching my experiment.